This tutorial will show you masking video clips, Capcut mobile, online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, assuming you want to mask multiple video clips in Capcut mobile for smartphone, this works for iPhone and Android. Open up the Capcut mobile app. Under the project bin, we can see project bin, we have this video. And basically we would like to mask multiple video clips in Capcut mobile completely for free. So click on the timeline right here. So it will deselect the video clip. Click add overlay, which is in the middle hand screen, or add overlay. Locate a video clip that you would basically like to mask in Capcut mobile. Now you can transform the video or you can adjust by pinching and scaling or dragging. Now basically what we're going to do is go to the bottom hand screen and scroll to the right until we see the option mask, which is next to duplicate and next to extract audio. Now we have a couple different options. We have a horizontal mask, a mirror, a circle, rectangle, heart, and even a star mask. Once you're happy or satisfied with your mask, you can go to the bottom hand screen and click the check mark icon. And now this is what we have. Now let's say you want to add another mask onto your video clip.
What is that?
It's a raccoon.
That is not a dead.
Do the same thing. Click here on the timeline. Go back to add overlay in the middle hand screen. Locate a video clip that you would basically like to mask or masking multiple video clips in Capcut mobile. Again, adjust the video clip if you would like or accordingly. And go to the bottom hand screen again, and while the video clip is still selected or the new video clip you would like to mask, scroll to the right. Locate and click on the mask icon or option next to extract audio and duplicate. In this case, we're going to go with the circle mask.
That's your cat!
Now you know how to mask multiple video clips or clips in Capcut mobile completely for free.